one very crucial step in achieving loyal users and happy users is to ensure that you resolve customer complaints faster and issues faster, and then you become really faster over time and build a more efficient process. This, of course, means that the customer experience team will also need to be looped into the process. And then, once you're already using UXCam, what we recommend doing in terms of the process is you can integrate UXCam with your CRM, like Salesforce or Zendesk or Intercom. This will enable you to link your user sessions with your support tickets. So the specialists who are on the CX, customer experience side, will be able to very easily navigate basically to a session and watch that is linked to that support ticket. Moreover, the specialist will also be able to review the technical logs as well. And then in the end, once you have this process running and set up, you can of course train them over time so that they can deal with minor issues themselves. And as we've been looking at examples, very quickly, we can look at an example here. So after you have integrated UXCam with your CRM, what you will see is, as I mentioned before, there will be a link inside your CRM to a session, and your specialist can link the very last session, for instance, before a crash occurred, and watch that and get more context. And as you can see here on the example, they will also get the full technical logs, which we call app logs, behind that issue. And then they can, of course, export that and also share it with engineering if that is needed. And what is also important to mention, as you're looping in engineers, we also have a Firebase and Crashlytics integration, for instance. So once you have integrated this, the integration will allow engineers to navigate to these specific sessions and the videos again directly from Crashlytics, for instance. And in the session replay, once the engineers are there, they can also see all these detailed logs that we will need for the debugging, and also look at all the different crash reasons that we list for them to get some additional context. So to recap, on this side, UXCam of course enable you to provide full context to not just the customer experience support and the engineering team when we're looking at, of course, still building a loyal user base and fixing and improving the issue handling process. But it will also help you to see through the user's lens, right? So to really see what the users are experiencing and what their frustrations are. And this will also help you really to solve and fix bugs faster and find the issues faster. And then, as I said before, for you to be able to spend more time on actually communicating with customers or research projects and on the development time.